turning out to be a huge controversy. It is the Indian Medical Association versus Baba Ramdev, with the Indian Medical Association now writing to Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And I quote, the letter says, misinformation campaign by Baba Ramdev must be stopped. In a video, he claimed that 10,000 doctors and lakhs of people have died despite taking both doses of the vaccine. Action under sedition charges should be taken against him. So you have this appeal coming in from the Indian Medical Association, reaching out to Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Madhurima, my colleague, is also joining us on the phone line with more details. Madhurima, more and more reactions coming in ever since Baba Ramdev called allopathy stupid science. So certainly this has angered a lot of doctors and they want the most serious of action against him now.
The doctors are very angry because of this particular statement which has been made by Baba Ramdev, and which is why the Indian Medical Association has now reached out to Prime Minister Narendra Modi, where they have said that when people were apprehensive about the vaccine, when nobody, when a major chunk...
To interrupt you there, we have the IMA President J. Jayalal joining us on the phone line. Sir, you are... Now you're reaching out to the Prime Minister, you've written a letter to him, you want the most serious of charges pressed against Baba Ramdev. Firstly, take us through the contents of this letter and what really are you maintaining at this point in time?
Yeah, we are with a great anguish and pain, with a great hope on the Prime Minister. We have written this letter. We are in a very, very critical pandemic situation. Many people are dying in front of us, and doctors and all the healthcare workers and the government is working very hard. I know the pain and agony with which the government is now getting the vaccine. In spite of all the difficulty, they are moving it forward. And now there is an acceptance for the vaccination is coming down. We all believe vaccine is the only solution which is there in front of us to overcome the COVID pandemic. But at this moment, if with a vested interest, people are talking against vaccine, saying people have died with the vaccine and calling the modern medicine as a stupid medicine. All this will give a fear psychosis and hesitancy. That is not good for the country. We are least bothered about somebody calling us anything bad, or we are not worried about who gets the credit. But we want in this COVID pandemic, our people should be saved, and we want to forget this episode and work hard in the front line. So this is the right time. We are appealing to our Honorable Prime Minister to make a full stop to this, and whoever it is wrong, let him take action. But the thing should go forward, and people should get to vaccination, and people should get free medicine. We are not worried whether it is Ayurveda, whether it is a modern medicine, but our people should be saved from all kinds of this misinformation from, people with a vested interest.
Absolutely. And Dr. Jayalal, more than that, these past few months, ever since India started its inoculation drive, everyone has been working really hard to increase awareness around why we need to get vaccinated at the earliest. There is still a lot of vaccination hesitancy in the rural pockets, which are also now reporting more and more cases. So even in that scenario, this becomes extremely dangerous.
Definitely, it will be learned people will understand it. Now the people in the rural area, they will be definitely go forward with statements like such as revert people. And we should avoid all these kind of, our differences, our petty politics at this moment. At this moment, the country is priority. Our people are our priority. Let us not fight here to get anybody. And I still believe on the word which my professor always used to tell. It is only the sympathy which is more important than which party you are treating. And as an IMA president, I am reiterating that. And we are not interested to fight on any system of medicine. We only want to serve the people who are suffering from this corona pandemic.
All right, Dr. Jayalal, thank you for speaking to us. You've written to the Prime Minister. Let's see how this plays out. Just hoping that everyone stays safe and what's right is followed at the end of the day. So thank